Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ryusei. First, there's one thing that I'd like to tell you. Finally, my channel reached 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks to everyone, I was able to continue sharing Japanese culture to the world. And through this activity, I can communicate with many people from various countries. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. In this video, I'll share how to make my original sauce for eating Japanese grilled meat, yakiniku. This is my best sauce for eating wagyu. To celebrate 100,000 subscribers, I prepared high quality wagyu. Today I'll enjoy delicious wagyu with my original sauce. I hope you enjoy yakiniku with my original sauce. Yes, let's make it. These are ingredients for yakiniku sauce. This is Japanese leek. The root side is sweeter than green pepper. I wanted the smell and sweetness of Japanese leek to the sauce, so use the root side. Cut it into quarters. Okay. Next, garlic. This garlic is from Aomori Prefecture. Aomori is famous for garlic. Cut it into pieces. Good. Then ginger. This ginger is from Kumamoto Prefecture. The aroma of ginger is just below the skin. Therefore, slice it with the skin. Nice. Some people grate the garlic and ginger, but grate garlic and ginger are a little bit too strong for wagyu. I use lemon and apple juice for my yakiniku sauce. This apple juice was produced in Nagano Prefecture. Apple juice will give refreshing flavor and natural sweetness to the sauce. And lemon will also give refreshing flavor and aroma. The acidity of lemon brings out the flavor of wagyu. Apple juice and lemon are essential ingredients for my yakiniku sauce. Cut the lemon into quarters. Then remove the core like this and make severe cut to the lemon to squeeze out the juice easily. Okay. This soy sauce was produced in Kagawa Prefecture, Shodo Island. And this mirin was produced in Aichi Prefecture. And this kombu is Ryusei kombu, which is from eastern Hokkaido. The quality of the seasoning enhances the flavor of yakiniku sauce. This is the recipe of yakiniku sauce. Firstly, put sake and mirin to the pot. Turn on the heat. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer it for about 3 minutes to remove the alcohol. 3 minutes later, I add sugar, rice vinegar, and soy sauce. Stir it to dissolve the sugar. Once the sugar dissolved, I add Ryusei kombu. Kombu gives rich flavor and enhances the flavor of wagyu. Garlic, ginger, and Japanese leek, naganegi. Soak them in the sauce. Okay, I simmer the sauce for 10 minutes over low heat to extract the flavors from these ingredients. 10 minutes later, add apple juice to the sauce. The reason for adding apple juice and lemon juice later is to preserve their freshness and aroma. Once the sauce reboils, turn on the heat. Finally, add the lemon juice. The sauce is done. Ideally, let the sauce in the fridge overnight to blend the flavors. Next day, the flavors and aromas of the ingredients have transferred to the sauce. And strain the sauce. Okay, the sauce is ready. Today I use Sennichi Wagyu, which was grown in Yamagata Prefecture. Please let me introduce Sennichi Wagyu shortly. In Japanese, sen means 1000 and nichi means day. So Sennichi Wagyu was raised for at least 1000 days. The conventional cattle are normally raised around 900 days. And long grilling period makes the flavor of beef deep and the fat becomes elegant. Fortunately, I was able to learn about wagyu even a bit, and I've become more interested about wagyu. Thank you for listening. Let's grill Sennichi Wagyu. Before grilling, leave wagyu at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This will ensure it cooks up juicy and tender. Meanwhile, prepare the sauce on the plate. Turn on the heat. This is beef taro. This beef taro is a part of Sennichi Wagyu. The quality of beef taro is also important. Okay, the pan is well heated. This is important to cook the surface of the beef immediately. We should not overcook Wagyu, that's why I recommend to grill Wagyu in small batches. To bring out the flavor of Wagyu, we need to focus on grilling. Sear both sides of Wagyu for 30 seconds each over medium heat. I'm sure it's good to brown the beef slightly. Like this, because the flavor of high quality Wagyu is elegant. If Wagyu gets burnt, the natural sweetness of Wagyu will be masked. Grill them for a short time. Almost. Okay, Wagyu is very soft, and the inside of Wagyu is a light pink color. Perfect. Put the beautiful Wagyu into the sauce. Itadakimasu. The texture is moist and tender. The taste is rich and elegant. The acidity of the sauce goes well with rich Wagyu. Wagyu is good with sticky rice. But if you like sake, I recommend to eat Wagyu with sake. Especially I recommend Junmai Ginjo and Junmai Daiginjo. I hope you enjoy delicious Wagyu. Thank you. Did you enjoy? I hope you enjoy yakiniku with my original sauce. Finally, please let me introduce my new knife. This is a Kurotori Petty knife which is produced in Kochi Prefecture, Shimanto Town. This time I received an affiliate marketing job from Japanese Food Craftsman. Japanese Food Craftsman is a popular and big YouTuber, and they also have many Japanese knives, and gave me a chance to use Kurotori knife. This knife is amazing, it's light and sharp, and the look is beautiful. And this is a good knife to cut the vegetable and fruits in our daily life, and you can get 10% discount in my channel. If you like, please check it out. Thank you for listening. I'm so happy and honored to work with Japanese Food Craftsman, and you can see Japanese traditional restaurant and craftsmanship in this channel. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.